Hi friends, in this video I will explain the recent changes to the Dropbox rules that were just announced. And I will also address some of the most common questions regarding these updates. As many of you know, the Visa Interview Waiver, commonly known as Dropbox, is a process where visa applicants can submit all their documents including DS-160 and passport at an application center. After the documents are reviewed, the applicant can simply pick up their passport with the visa stamp, all without needing to attend an in-person interview. This process has made visa renewals much faster and more convenient for many individuals. Recently, without any official announcement, starting from February 10, 2025, the Dropbox eligibility has been reduced from 48 months to 12 months. During the COVID-19 pandemic, they extended the Dropbox eligibility to applicants whose previous visa had expired within the last 48 months to simplify the renewal process and to reduce the backlogs at the consulates. Starting now, you can only qualify for Dropbox processing if your previous visa expired within the last 12 months, and it must be in the same non-immigrant category. For many people who previously qualified for Dropbox, this change now means they will need to attend an in-person interview instead, which means booking both biometrics and consular interview. There have already been cases where applicants had their Dropbox appointments cancelled and were instructed to reschedule for biometrics and in-person interviews. When people reached out to customer support, they received the standard response: if you fall under this new rule, you must cancel your current Dropbox appointment and book an in-person interview. Before scheduling your visa appointment, be sure to double check your eligibility for Dropbox processing. If your visa expired more than 12 months ago, or if you are applying a different visa category, you will likely need to go through an in-person interview. Additionally, individuals changing status from F1 or H4 to H1B may not qualify for interview waiver or Dropbox. So please make sure your eligibility carefully. Here I will attempt to answer some of the common questions. Is my visa fee still valid? Yes, your visa fee remains valid. If you need to cancel your existing appointment due to the 12 months eligibility rule, you can still use the same fee for your next regular appointment. You will just need to close your old application and start new one. When booking your interview, there will be an option to claim old payment. So no need to pay the fee again. What if I already booked a Dropbox appointment and flight tickets to visit India? In this case, you should check your eligibility. If your visa expired more than 12 months ago, you won't be eligible for Dropbox, and you will need to cancel your appointment and rebook a regular interview. You may also need to adjust your flight bookings and replan your trip accordingly. What if I have already traveled to India for Dropbox appointment? Unfortunately, if you have already traveled to India for your Dropbox appointment, but your visa expired more than 12 months ago, you won't be eligible for Dropbox. You will have to cancel your existing appointment and rebook a regular one. What about a DS-160 I have already submitted and my appointment is within few months? Technically, you can still use the same DS-160 if your appointment is within few months. However, if you need to make any corrections, you will have to create a new one. In some cases, if the DS-160 is more than a year old, you might be asked to submit a new one. It varies from case to case. So if your DS-160 is over a year old, it is safer to create a new one before you go. Finally, with these changes in place, we could see additional delays in visa processing, as more people will now need to attend in-person interviews. There is likely to be increased demand for appointments. If you are planning to renew your visa soon, make sure to plan accordingly. That's it, friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share your experience in the comments. It could be helpful for others. Thank you for watching.